Hey, welcome to Jesus and a Tortilla. The new ciabattas are here. We're all very excited about the ciabattas. I don't really know much about ciabatta bread. I do remember Wendy's used to have a ciabatta sandwich. It's kind of like the consistency of a sponge, pretty dry, but hey, it's new. They got what do we have? There's like 4 of them, believe it or not. Served on the ciabatta bread. If I can find it. Here it is. There is what I have is garlic steak and provolone. So that's a pretty cool deal. Why is this not coming? Here we go. Ooh, she's slow. Okay. Here we go. We have a menu. There's the new caprese ciabatta. It's a caprese salad. I guess there's no meat on that. There's the chicken pesto with the new... I saw them make it. They're big hunks of fresh mozzarella. So that's what we got, chicken pesto. There's the garlic steak and provolone, which doesn't have the new mozzarella. And then there's also the Italian ciabatta with new fresh mozzarella, and it's big, thick slabs of mozzarella. I have that for later, but this I wanted to try right now, the garlic steak and provolone sandwich on ciabatta bread. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, what are they? $6.49 for the steak and provolone. It's $6.79 for the chicken pesto and $6.29 for the Italian mozz. So each sub has a little bit different of a price. Basically the same price, though. I like that bread, though. I like the way it looks. There it is. See that bread? A little spongy. Lot of garlicky steak. I'm not going to really tear it too much apart because you know what it looks like. Woo! It is garlicky. All right. I'm okay with that. Wow, there's a lot. All right. Let's go in, baby. Wow. That is garlic steak. Bite cam. Let's see a little bit more about this provolone garlic steak. Um, 550 calories. What does it say? The new garlic steak and provolone sandwich takes layers of tender shaved steak topped with a secret sub spice seasoning. Wow. And stacks it on our delicious new ciabatta bread. We add provolone, tomatoes, onion, green peppers, and finish it with our creamy garlic aioli. That's what it was. I forgot what the topping was. Garlic aioli. Wow. Flipping off the cover. Like when you first start eating something garlicky, in the first bite, kind of hits you. This is like the third or fourth bite, so it's not so bad. I do like garlic. I'm going to try the Italian tonight. When I do add this in my playlist, I'll put an update of what that was like too. I do like the bread. It's not as bad as a sponge, but it's a little bit dry of a sponge. Dry, spongy kind of a texture. Without it being too negative there, but I actually like this. After it's grown on me a little bit, I don't know. I like the bread. The thing is, I can't stand any Subway bread at this point. So anything different, I didn't even go in there looking for this. I went and looked at, they have new mini subs, but I can't track them down. Has anybody seen the mini sub? Okay, let's go. I kind of like it now. I like that ciabatta bread. I'm not going to go too strong. Let's go 7.5. Love you, babe.